Burnout doesn't arrive with a warning label. It sneaks in. First, you're just tired. Then you're snapping at people you love, staring at your screen in a fog, and the things that used to light you up feel dull. Here's the hook. If you've felt that slow drain of motivation, the Sunday scaries every day of the week, and the guilt for not doing enough even when you're doing everything, this is for you. Relief. You're not broken. You're overloaded. Burnout isn't a personal failure. It's a mismatch between what life demands and what your energy can supply. I've been there. I know the quiet panic of thinking, if I stop, it all falls apart. Spoiler. Stopping is how it stops falling apart. Action. Let's build a simple plan to move from burned out to balanced. I call it PPP, pause, prioritize, protect. 3 steps, today. Step 1, pause. Not forever, long enough to breathe. Try the 3-3-3 reset, 3 slow breaths, 3 minutes off screens, 3 lines in a notes app. What matters? What can wait? What can go? 3 minutes off screens. 3 lines in a notes app. What matters? What can wait? What can go? Then micro rests. 90 seconds between tasks to stand up, sip water, stare out a window. Tiny rests compound like interest. Step 2, prioritize. List your energy givers and energy drainers. Circle the top 3 things that actually move the needle this week, professionally and personally. Everything else? Delay, delegate, or delete. Use a good enough standard for the rest. Set a timer, do the thing to 70%, ship it, and reclaim your evening. Step 3, protect. Burnout thrives where boundaries are vague. Write 1 sentence you'll use this week. I can't take that on right now, my plate's full. Practice it out loud. Protect sleep like a meeting with your future self. A 30 to 60 minute wind down, dim lights, stretch, no doom scroll, beats any productivity hack. Signals you're healing. You laugh more, you ruminate less, you wake up without dread, and your brain feels like it has room again. It won't be linear. You'll wobble. That's normal. If life's load is heavier, caregiving, grief, chronic stress, add scaffolding, a therapist or counselor, a standing check-in with a friend, a short daily walk, and 1 small joy you schedule like a meeting. Remember, you don't have to earn rest. Rest is how you earn tomorrow. Here's your tiny challenge. Today, remove 1 obligation that doesn't serve you. Take 1 10-minute walk and say 1 honest no. Then comment the word rest so I know you did it. And so future, you seize the promise you made today. You're not lazy. You're human. And you're allowed to build a life you don't need to escape from. I'm rooting for you. Let's start now.